Next, so test the scheduling logic. So build a unit test for the class warehouse sync schedule in the class named as the warehouse sync schedule test. You must have 100% test coverage to pass this challenge. Got it. So now you can go to the developer console and open that two classes. What's that? One is a warehouse schedule, and the second one is what? So warehouse scheduler test. Right. So one is a warehouse schedule. Right. So schedule implement schedulable. Right. So no changes in the schedule. Right. In the test class. Right. So we have a changes in the test class. Got it. So I already prepared a class for this, right? So just I'm copying the code and I will explain. Done. So what is this? Test method to validate the scheduling of the warehouse sync schedule class. Sync scheduler class. Done. Next, we created a method. Oh, already created the class. Right, this is the method. Next, next, see what is this? Define the con expression to run at 1 a.m. daily. 1 a.m. Daily. Clear? Right. Next, start the test. Start the test context to measure asynchronous code. To measure asynchronous code. Got it. Next, set up the HTTP callout. Set up the HTTP callout mock to simulate the warehouse API response. The warehouse API response. Next, schedule the job. Schedule the job and store the job ID. Store the job ID. Got it. Next, return by the system. Return by the system. Next, what we have to stop the test context. Stop the test context. Stop the test context. Right now. Now here query the con trigger object to get the scheduled job info. Job info. Got it. Asset that the scheduled job ID matches the one written by a system.schedule. System.schedule. That's it. Save this. Now Go here, test, click on here, run all, warehouse sync schedule, right? So warehouse sync schedule, right? The code coverage is 100%. Got it. So now you can come here the challenge, then check the challenge. Done. So finally we completed Apex Specialist Super Badge.